I'm Doofles, and today I'm going to watch the 2026 Dayton Airshow. Today is June 15th, 2026, and the Dayton Airshow has already started, although the Blue Angels come out in just under 30 minutes. I checked the website, tickets are like $80, so I'm just going to go to a park across the street from the airport, park there, and watch the airshow for free. Let's go. Well, I'm now out here at Robinette Park in Vandalia, just a few miles away from the Dayton Airport. It's 2:45 right now, so the Blue Angels should be out in just a minute. Pretty excited. So we've got some people in the field over there with lawn chairs set up. And then over here, we have some people set up with lawn chairs right next to the interstate. So I'm thinking this might be the angle I want to watch right there. All right, so it is 2:49 right now. The Blue Angels start at 3, just a few minutes to go. Well, I think that's about it. It's now 4 o'clock. I think the Blue Angels are just about done. I got some pretty cool views of the Blue Angels, but I don't even know if the camera picked it up or if I got any good shots. We'll see. Well, I just went through the footage, and I at least got a couple good shots of the Blue Angels. It's not the best spot to watch the Blue Angels from, but at least it's free. If you want to get the best view, you have to buy a Dayton Airshow ticket. If you enjoyed watching, stay tuned for more local events, and like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.